dog and every child are going to be safe together. You really have to match dogs and children with age and experience. Older dogs that have had a lot more experience may be safer with children. Dogs need to be constantly supervised around children, even when they're trained. Young dogs may be behind a gate or in a crate, while older dogs are allowed to mingle as long as they are relaxed and calm. We want them to be in the thick of things and not hidden off in a bedroom where they learn to get used to the noise and chaos of young children. We supervise because dogs get tired just like children get tired. We teach dogs to love their crate so that they will be relaxed behind a gate.
He was scared of that one. I was scared when I thought he was gonna bite me, but he put his nose open, and then he scared me.
Crates and gates allow us to socialize dogs more safely and more slowly, habituating dogs to new dogs or other animals, new people, anything that might possibly get them overly excited or nervous. We slow it down with the help of gates and crates. We also use mat training, where we condition dogs to relax on a mat to progress their social experiences with children. He's socialized from a crate and behind a gate, and now he's ready to socialize from a mat. My adult dogs are now very experienced around children. But that doesn't mean that they will always be safe around children. As Tiger Lily got older and older, I started to keep her away from children just because she was blind and deaf. Motion, now he's only 2 years old, and he's still learning to be safe around children. Bee is 10, and she's ready for the full immersion.